Welcome back. This is the cheap guy here. This is my channel, as you can see. But today I just want to talk about streaming. So if you can see, I've had a few videos about this, not, just using the over-the-air channel deal, how you can get just free TV, high-definition TV, and I use this other things. But you can check out my Tableau videos. But today I want to talk about something else, a free streaming service. So, there's so many streaming services. There are Netflix, Hulu, just all these other deals with Disney Plus. Now Paramount's coming out with theirs, and everybody wants to get their 5, 10, 15, 20 bucks off of you every month. But there's another thing that out there that you could use for free, and it is called Canopy. So if you go to Canopy with a K, canopy.com, as you see here, Canopy, enjoy thoughtful entertainment, stream thousands of films for free thanks to the generous support of your public library or university. So if you're a college student, or if not, doesn't matter, use your public library card. If you don't have one, go get one. They're free. Library is a great trick. If you're watching The Cheap Guy and you don't have a library card, I suggest you go get one right now, because you get so many things from the library. If you just want to get books, you can get ebooks. Oh, I should do a video on that one too. I'll do a video on that one as well. But you get so many things in the library, and they're doing more and more stuff online. So if you just click Get Started, it's going to ask if you're a student or professor, or if you have a public library card. You put in and you find your library. Okay, so you just put in basically your zip code, your address, whatever. Obviously, it knows I'm in California here, and here's all the different places you have. This is, you just sign up for Canopy, and when you do, this is what you're going to see. This is my Canopy. Now, there's going to be a few things you're going to have. Okay, you're going to have it's going to be like any other streaming service. You're going to have all these movies and TV shows. You're also going to have a search engine here, so you can search for things. You can go to Canopy for kids if you have children. There's going to be kids things there. And then there's this thing here, okay? See, there's another 9. You have 9 play credits left this month. I get 10 play credits a month. Certain libraries give you 15. I believe the Bay Area, if you live up in San Francisco, they give you 15. Maybe that's changed. Maybe they're all down to 10. I don't know. I just know here in LA County, you start out with 10 a month. Obviously, I've watched a movie. Now, you're not going to get the most up-to-date things here, okay? You're going to get different world cinema. You're going to get some different documentaries. Since it's Women's Month, they're all doing that. You're going to get some older movies, but it's a fun way to discover good ideas and good movies. And if you're curious, you just scroll over these, and it's going to show you, both the ratings and a general idea of what the movie's about. See? All right, so as you can see, a lot of these are 3-star rated. So here's one that's 4-star rated. Okay, so you click on this, and it's a romantic mystery about a woman on the edge who takes an emotional journey back to the defining moment of her life. It shows you it's 107 minutes. So, as you can see, this is 2009. Now, what I found is, when I'm just in the mood for a movie, I'm okay watching something from 2009 if it's something I've never seen before. There's also like TV shows you can get in here as well. If you watch this, maybe you'd like one of these. So there's different things on here. If you like documentaries, it's a great site for that. So there's just a lot of different options here. It may not scratch your itch if you're really wanting the up-to-date things or the stuff that everybody's talking about. If you're looking for WandaVision or something like that. But, if you're just looking for stuff to stream, and you want a lot of options, this Canopy is a great way to get streaming. Here's the other great thing about Canopy. Canopy is you're going to have, so you can do different things like this, and you can narrow in your search. But anyways, Canopy is going to have a Fire Stick app or an Apple TV app or something like that. So I have an Apple TV hooked up to my TV, and that's what I run the Tableau through, which is these videos here. Where is it? Right here. This one. Stop the cable ripoff, free TV. So this is my Tableau setup. So go check out that video if you haven't yet. But I run my Tableau through my Apple TV, and then on my Apple TV, I just have the Canopy app, and I just watch my streaming stuff through there. You can also just obviously watch on your computer like I'm doing here, or you can download an app on your phone. So there's a lot of options for this. It's a really great program. I encourage you to check it out, to use it. Like I said, if you haven't gotten if you don't have a library card yet, make sure and get yourself a library card. And I will show you on another video what you can use that library card in regards to ebooks as well. So that'll be to come soon. Anyways, have a great day. Hopefully this will save you some money. If you just need to watch a movie or kill time and you don't want to keep having that recurring expense. As a cheap guy, I hate recurring expenses. If I have a choice between paying, like with Tableau, there was a monthly expense to get their user interface in there, basically to get like the TV guide in there. I could pay a monthly thing, or I could pay a lifetime subscription. I just paid the lifetime subscription because I hate having ongoing things. Even if it's just $5 a month, I hate it. And because, $1 here, $5 there, $5 there, $5 there, $1 here, $1 here, and all of a sudden you're spending $100 a month on stuff that you don't even realize. So anyways, that's all I got to say about Canopy, Kanopy. Check it out. It's been a nice little thing for me to stream a movie here and there. I don't use it a lot, but I use it from now and then. And so if you have kids, I think this is a real winner, because I think there's a lot of good things there for kids as well. So it's the cheap guy checking off. Have a great day, stay safe, and keep safe.